Hello, in this video I'm gonna talk you through your exercise for this week 9, and in this exercise we have a Fitbit type of device that is used by some participants, some people in the gym that are doing weightlifting exercises. You can find the original data over here. Basically what we have is the 6 different people performing one set of 10 repetitions of this exercise, and they will perform the exercise in 5 different ways. Class A is when the exercise is performed correctly, and then the most common mistakes, throwing the elbows to the front, lifting, that would be class B, then lifting the dumbbell only halfway is class C, and so on. So we have some classes that report common mistakes, and then one class, class A, that is the exercise being performed properly. So we're going to have a set of values that come from the sensor. If I open up the file here, this is the way our training file looks like. So we have some columns that might not add time and so on. We might not need any of these columns, so we'll need to do some pre-processing of the text and get rid of some of the columns. But then we have some values for the gyroscopes and sensors in the device. All those values are telling us which way the arm is moving, and at the end we have the class. So the last column, as in previous exercises, is the class, and I will tell you what type of mistake they are doing. It is a very long file, as you can see. We have, if we go all the way, 38,936 different lifts of the dumbbell, and all the different classes for those. Okay, so remember, class A is the exercise being performed correctly, and all the other ones are a particular type of mistake. So we could use our predictor to, or our model to get the data from the sensor and then decide what type of error the user is doing and give them feedback on that error. So let's go back to our notebook. So what we need to do, or you need to do, is import NumPy arrays, scikit-learn, or NumPy and scikit-learn. Use NumPy arrays to import the data, slice the columns that you need for the input training, slice the one column, the last one you need for your target class, for your training data. And we have another file with test values for different lifts of the performances of the weightlifting exercise. Then we're gonna create our classifier with the training data sets, train it, and then predict what the particular error is for each of the lifts of the weights. Okay, so mainly careful with the pre-processing part. Remember, you need to get rid of all those columns. You probably can't get rid of the user that is doing the lifting. Okay, and that's all. Bye.